In this video, I'll show you how you can curve or round borders in Adobe Express. So what we're going to do, we're going to first go to plus, and I will just create a custom sized project, and we'll make it 1920 by 1080, and we'll create a new file. And what we'll do is we'll drag on an image, and I'll show you how you can curve borders. So it's fairly easy, to be honest. You want to go to upload if you want to upload the image. I'll just upload this PNG image here. That was actually a design I created for a different tutorial video. Terrible design. But any image that you upload and you drag onto your project, you might also find them in your stuff. And here you can go ahead and find your images. So let's just use this image because it's probably a bit better. So we've got an image of some bread. Now, if you click on the image, you can go to corners and you can actually increase the corner roundness. And this is how you can increase it to all the way a circle, or you can just round off the edges of the corners. And that's pretty much how you do it. You can do it with any image. Hope that quick video helped.